Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a deadline to a task on Google Task. So first of all, you want to open Google Tasks. After opening the Google Task, here you can see the tasks. So from here you can just choose the task that you want to add a deadline. And after choosing the task, on the right side of that you can see three dots. Click on that. And then here is the first option. You can see here add deadline. Click on that, and from here you can just choose the deadline of that task. And then after choosing it, click on done, then click on confirm. Then you can see that you had been add deadline to a task on Google Task. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.